In today's video, I'm going to show you the jobs that AI has already replaced with real proof. So let's dive straight in. First on the list, hotel workers. Yes, in China, hotels are already swapping out staff for AI. Imagine this, you order food or towels, and instead of a person knocking on your door, a robot rolls up and delivers it right to you. And it's not stopping with hotels, coffee shops are also in on it. Robotic arms like Artly don't just brew coffee, they can even create perfect latte art. What starts in one country rarely stays there. This could spread worldwide faster than we think. So tell me, if this tech came to your country, how much would you like it? Rate it out of 10 in the comments. Next up, copywriters. But first, let's clear up what a copywriter does. They're the ones writing the words on ads, websites, or posters, the lines that convince you to click buy or try something. Now here's the evidence. On Reddit, several copywriters have admitted that AI already replaced them. One even said, he hasn't had a single job in 8 months because his company laid off every copywriter and switched to AI. He wrote, I don't want sugar-coated answers like AI isn't taking our jobs because it already took mine. I've linked those posts in the description so you can read for yourself. And if you're a copywriter, share your experience in the comments. Has AI helped you or taken opportunities away? But don't get too comfortable because the next job AI has replaced might surprise you even more. Number 3, traffic police. And here's the proof. In China, robotic officers are already deployed at intersections, directing vehicles and pedestrians in real life, not just in some sci-fi movie. Now let's be clear, not every police role is threatened. These robots are mainly doing lower-level tasks like guiding traffic, not sensitive investigations or community policing. But it shows something important. AI replacement doesn't always mean all or nothing. It can start with specific tasks and then spread wider. Next job comes from the construction site. Recently, a huge story broke in China. A 158-kilometer highway was built almost entirely without workers. Robots and AI took over, and that means some jobs could soon be extinct because of this achievement. Here's how it happened. Drones scanned every crack. Giant self-driving pavers laid asphalt with millimeter precision. And rollers compacted the road without a single operator in the driver's seat. That's not science fiction, that's today. So which jobs did AI actually replace here? Number 1, surveyors. Normally, teams spend days mapping road damage, but this time drones did it faster and more accurately. Number 2, heavy machinery operators. The paving machines and rollers were completely autonomous. No drivers, no shift changes. And it doesn't stop there. Taxi drivers are slowly going extinct too, because in China, autonomous cars are already on the roads. The crazy part, this wasn't just some small test, it was one of the busiest highways in China, resurfaced faster, safer, and smoother than traditional methods. AI isn't only replacing office work like copywriting or customer support, it's already reshaping construction itself. So, what do you think? Will AI wipe out millions of jobs in construction? Or will it create new ones we can't even imagine yet? Drop your thoughts below. And that's just the beginning. These are only a few of the jobs AI has already replaced. More are coming, and you'll want to know which ones are next. So if you found this eye-opening, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. Because in the next video, I'll show you even more jobs that are at risk. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.